Last spring, I was very excited to be contacted by Dr. Catherine Linhart, who is in charge of STEAM and technology in our district here at Pendergast. She proposed an excellent opportunity for our 5th grade scholars here at Desert Mirage to develop their own science experiment that would have the opportunity to be placed on Mission 17 with the destination of the International Space Station.
Our project was trying to figure out if one potato can grow in space, then why can't others?
So Sophia picked the types of potatoes, which were sweet potatoes and red Desiree potatoes.
Our hypothesis is that the sweet potato is gonna work a little bit better than the red Desiree potato.
We chose potatoes because my dad tells me they're a superfood and because they can be made into so many different things.
With the team, it's way easier to have someone by your side and help you discover something new.
Yes, I was really excited. Like, this is gonna happen, this is gonna go to space. Like, this is a big opportunity.